telling her anything. All that she want is a wedding ring. Really ain't into that type of thing.
What's the tea, y'all? So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I apply my lace front units. I have this wig right here. She cute or whatever. This is Lily. Say hello to Lily. Lily is straight Brazilian hair made into a custom unit by Chiffon Wigs. So she made this for me for my graduation, and I was looking so bomb. I'm gonna insert pictures so you guys can see my wig. So I'm going to just show you guys how I easily apply this wig on my natural hair. If you guys would like to see the transformation, continue to watch. Okay, so first I have to redo these old braids that's under my wig so that my wig can be able to lay flat. Okay, ladies, the key to a flawless wig application is honestly your braids. So we don't want our braids to be too bulky or big because your wig is not going to lay correctly. And we don't need no helmets in 2019, sis. Let's throw away the helmets and get some flawless wigs. Okay. So now I'm going to go ahead and put on my wig cap. This is used to protect my hair. Now I'm going in with the MAC Skinneralized Skin Finish in the color Dark Deep, and I'm placing that powder on top of my cap so that it can match my skin tone. So now I'm using the Got2b glue spray, and I'm going to spray that all over my edges. I've honestly tried so many edge products, and this is the only thing that has my edges laid all day. So now I'm just going to go ahead and try my wig on to make sure it is cute, it is popping, it is blended. Make sure I don't have to do any more plucking. Using the Lotta Body foaming mousse, I'm going to go ahead and put that all over the top of my hair just so that it can catch all the flyaways and that my hair can lay flat. Now I'm going in with the hot comb. This is a very important step to ensuring that your hair is blended and looks more natural. And it honestly lays your hair to perfection and just makes your hair look more popping. So this is just an extra step if you guys want to. I'm going in with my Gorilla Snot, and I'm just gonna make me a little baby hair, you know, a little swoop swoop, you know, just to be more popping and cute. Lastly, I'm going to go ahead and wrap my hair so that my lace can go ahead and melt into the skin. Yes, ma'am, the wig is on, honey. Hopefully you guys learned some new tips. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you dolls in my next one. Bye!